हेलो बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे शेप्स नेम एंड कलर्स नेम। कलर्स ग्रीन कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, ब्लू कलर, येलो कलर, पिंक कलर, रेड कलर। शेप्स नेम पेंटागन,
H-I-J, we'll sing and
right
laugh and play
triangle,
all day. K-L-M-N-O-P-Q, the alphabet's so fun to do. R-S-T-U-V-W, X-Y-Z, now try it too. A-B-C, let's dance
Triangle.
around. Clap your hands, let's make some sound.
Heart.
D-E-F-N-G, H-I-J, we'll sing and laugh and play all day.
semicircle,
Now you know your ABCs. Sing with friends and family.
colors,
Learning
light green color,
letters is so neat. Dancing to this happy beat. ABC, let's dance around. Clap your hands, let's make some sound. D-E-F-N-G,
blue color,
H-I-J, we'll sing and
red
laugh and play
triangle,
all day. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Thanks for singing along with
orange
me.
color, star, orange color, yellow color, triangle, red color, heart, green color, semicircle, shapes name pentagon, right triangle, star, triangle, heart, semicircle, light green color, blue color, orange color, yellow color, red color, dark green color.